Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how you can install Kali Linux in a VirtualBox. Now, I'm not going to do this with the installer because it takes a lot of time. So the first thing you want to do is go to kali.org and then you just have to click on the download. Here you can see that it has a lot of versions. What you want to do is choose one of these two, installer images or virtual machines. Well, we are going to use the VirtualBox from Oracle, so we want a virtual machine. After that, you can choose 64-bit or 32-bit, that depends on your computer. I have a 64-bit, so yes. And you can choose whatever version you want from these four. I have VirtualBox, so I have two choices, and you can choose the weekly version, but I'm going with the safe option. So you just have to click the download and you can download it. I have already downloaded the image, so I have it not here. I have moved it to the desktop. So when the download finishes, you can open the 7-zip file. It only has these two files. So what you want to do is open VirtualBox and then extract this 7-zip. I'm going to just extract it here. So after this finishes, after this completes, as you can see, we have this file here and it just finished. So we have these two files. So this is just the configuration file, I think, and this is the disk file. What you want to do is open the VirtualBox, go to Tools, and click Add. Then you want to find the folder for this folder you want to find. So I'm coming here, and you want to just select the VirtualBox, the VBox, the file with the VBox extension. You click Open, and now you can't delete this folder actually, because if you delete this folder, you actually delete the whole VirtualBox. The whole virtual machine. You can close it anyway, but you can't move it around. You will have to again import this virtual machine. Now it should be ready. You don't really have to make any modification in the settings, but I really like to go to System and add more RAM. If you want, you can add more processors too. You don't really have to change anything else. It's configured already, so you just have to click Start. And now it's booting the VirtualBox. And now you just have to click Enter to skip the grab main window. And after it opens, you just have to type Kali and again Kali for the password. You click Login and you have this VirtualBox, the virtual machine ready. You can now open the terminal and it's really ready for you to use it. You don't have to do anything else. It's really simple, it's really fast. You don't have to use the installer since it's just a VirtualBox. Now you can just power off the machine, shut down, and we are back in the Windows machine. So that's it for the video. If you liked it, like and subscribe. If you want to let us know your thoughts, type down in the comments, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.